Today I'd like to do a brief video introducing some Lakeside apparel and merchandise that's now available. I'd also like to thank Tyler Brothers from Brothers Designs out of Saginaw, Michigan for helping me out with that process. At the moment we have hats, hoodies, t-shirts, and stickers. In the future I hope to have some really nice Bondo boards and maybe even some sanding boards. The hats are flex fit, one size fits all, and they're very comfortable. This band stretches and there's no snapback. The t-shirts are made by Gildan. They come in gray and blue or black and white. And this is the front and that's the back. The hoodies are made by the same company. They're comfortable and come in gray and blue or black and white. Finally, there's patches and stickers. The patches can be sewn on, the Velcro backing can be sewn on to anything, and then the Lakeside Autobody can be stuck on. All the apparel and merch are quality products and made to last. I'll have links to the website that sells these items on videos and my YouTube channel banner. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for your comments, and thank you for your support.